let's eat guys. Sinigang. This is my favorite part. Tamang sound trip lang dito sa bahay guys. Binifeel ko yung moment. Kasi next week, babalik na ako sa Riyadh. Back to reality na ako guys. Work na naman. Kaya i-feel ko yung moment. Ganun talaga ang buhay. I just enjoy my vacation. Until na meron pang natitirang araw ako dito. Kasi pagbalik ko sa Riyadh, work, tas ako na lang magluluto for myself. I will cook bayan for myself. Unlike here that always ready, I only eat and the food is ready. Ay.